Welcome to this .NET PDF library tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to work with hyperlinks in PDF documents using the Syncfusion .NET PDF library. This includes adding, modifying, and removing hyperlinks in a PDF. First, I will open an existing ASP.NET Core application, where I have already installed the Syncfusion PDF .NET Core package. If you want to know how to get started with the Syncfusion PDF library, check out the video link in the card above, or description below. Now, let's see how to add a hyperlink to a PDF document by clicking this button. Take a look at the document. I'm going to add a hyperlink to the text PDF succinctly. First, I open the index.cs HTML file, clear out the existing code, and add a button to add a hyperlink. Then, I move to the Home Controller class and import the required namespaces. I define an action method with the return type action result. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance to load the PDF file with appropriate file options, and then create a PDF loaded document instance by passing that stream. From the loaded document, I retrieve the specific page where I want to add the hyperlink. I define a list to store the matched items, and use the find text method to find the text PDF succinctly on the page. After finding it, I create a PDF URI annotation to define the clickable hyperlink. I pass the matched item. Specify the URL to open, and customize the appearance by setting the border width and color. Then, I add this annotation to the annotations collection of the page. I define the createFileResult method, where I create a memory stream, save the document to that stream, set the position back to the beginning, close the document, and return the file for download. Lastly, I invoke the createFileResult method, passing the document and file name. I save and run the application. When I click the button, the PDF file is downloaded. As you can see, the specified hyperlink is applied to the text and styled with the defined color and border. Next, I will show you how to modify this hyperlink. First, I add a button to modify hyperlink and define the action method with the return type iAction result. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance with the appropriate file options. I create a PDF loaded document instance by passing that stream. Next, I retrieve the page where I need to modify the hyperlink by creating a PDF loaded page instance. I define a for-each loop to loop through the annotations on the page. Inside this loop, I check if the annotation is a PDF loaded URI annotation. If it is, I retrieve the annotation and modify its URI. I also check if the annotation is a PDF-loaded text web link annotation. If so, I retrieve that annotation and modify its URL. Last, I return the modified document using the createFileResult method. When I click the button, the PDF file is downloaded. And as you can see, the hyperlink is modified to the specified URL. Finally, I'll show you how to remove this hyperlink. First, I add a button for Remove Hyperlink and define the action method with the return type iAction result. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance with the appropriate file options. Then, I create a PDF loaded document instance by passing that stream. I retrieve the page where I need to remove the hyperlink by creating a PDF loaded page instance. I then define a for loop to iterate through the annotations on the page. Inside this loop, I retrieve the annotation and check if the annotation type is PDF-loaded URI annotation or PDF-loaded text web link annotation. If it is one of these, I remove that annotation using the remove method. Last, I return the modified document using the create file result method, which will return the file with the hyperlink removed. When I click the button, the PDF file is downloaded. And as you can see, the hyperlink is gone. That's a wrap. In this video, I showed you how to work with hyperlinks in a PDF document using the Syncfusion.NET PDF library. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I have also shared a link where you can learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format libraries if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.